Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am a science teacher in KPS class 5, subject science, topic matter and the water cycle. Lecture number 9. Students, in this lecture we will discuss the characteristics of three states of matters. Characteristics: solids, liquids and gases. First of all, we will discuss the intermolecular forces of attraction. Student, in case of solid, intermolecular force of attraction are very strong but less strong as compared to solid in liquids, and for intermolecular forces of attraction are very weak in gases. Force of attraction decrease from solid, liquid to gases, and intermolecular spaces decreases from gas, liquids to solids. In case of solids, minimum space, and liquid has more space as compared to solids. Maximum space in case of gases. Students, intermolecular forces decreases from gaseous state to solid state. If we talk about movement of particles, in case of solid, particles about their own position. Students, in case of solids, particles vibrate, and in liquid state particles are in continuous motion, but in case of gases particles show random movement and freely move. Students, we know there are three states of matter: solid, liquids and gases, and these three states are different from each other. Why these states are different from each other? Why do solids have fixed shape and volume but gases have no fixed shape and volume? This difference is due to particles arrangement in three states of matter. Students, states of matter differ from each other due to particles arrangement. We will discuss the three states of matter one by one. First of all, if we talk about solid. Students, in case of solid, particles are closely packed together because force of attraction are very strong that clutch the particles together, and this is the reason that spaces between solid particles are minimum. Students, because intermolecular forces are very strong, so particles cannot move, they only vibrate about their own position. This is the reason that solid has fixed shape and fixed volume. Because intermolecular forces are strong and minimum space between particles and cannot move, only vibrate about their own position. If we talk about liquids, in case of liquids, particles are slightly close packed together because force of attraction between particles are weak as compared to solids. Students, in case of solid, force of attraction are very strong, but in liquid force of attraction are strong but less strong as compared to solid, so these particles can move, but we cannot compress liquid because there are minimum spaces between liquid particles. This is the reason that liquid has fixed volume but not fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container because liquid particles can flow. Now we will discuss the gaseous state of matter. In case of gaseous state, force of attraction are very weak between particles. This is the reason that gas particles freely move, because they are not closely packed together. There are weak force of attraction and there are large spaces between particles. We can compress gas because there are large spaces between the gas particles, and force of attraction are very weak, so they can freely move. They take the shape and volume of the container. This is the reason that three states of matter differ from each other, because they have different characteristics and different particle arrangement. Students, if we talk about energy state of three states of matter, in case of solid state, solid particles has minimum energy. This is the reason they cannot move, because they have minimum energy. Liquid state has energy more as compared to solid state. In case of gaseous state, gases particles have more energy, so they can freely move. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको समझ आ गई होगी कि मैटर की थ्री स्टेट्स एक दूसरे से डिफ़र क्यों करती हैं, इनकी रीज़न्स क्या हैं। क्योंकि पार्टिकल्स की अरेंजमेंट, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, एनर्जी और स्पेसिस की वजह से डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज़ शो करती हैं तीनों स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर। ये आपकी असाइनमेंट है जो आप लोग सॉल्व करेंगे। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग करेक्टली डिस्क्राइब द बिहेवियर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इन सॉलिड्स अरेंज इन an irregular pattern, vibrate, move about and slide past each other, are tightly packed and vibrate about a fixed position, have no regular arrangement, move freely at high speed. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.